Hello everyone, thank you for joining Fairfield Public Library. Today we are making a cactus hang plant. Continue to watch the video so you can make this cool craft with me.
So in your take and make kit, you should have the following items: green construction paper, a pot, trace out, brown paper, 2 pieces of tissue paper, and 2 googly eyes. Some things that you're gonna need from home are scissors, black, pink, and white coloring utensils, and glue. So the first step is we're gonna take our pot cutout and we're going to cut Then we will take our brown and trace out our pot. Perfect. And cut out our pot. And there we go. Our next step is we're going to take our hand and put it on our green paper and trace out our hand. Once we have our hand traced out, we will cut that. Perfect. So now we are going to glue our hand and our pot together. Put some glue. Then put your hand right on your pot right on top. Perfect. The next step we are going to do is glue on our googly eyes. One eye. Two. We will then take our black marker and give a smile and 2 rosy cheeks. And our white, we will put some dots around our cactus. Our next step would be to take our 2 pieces of tissue paper And I'm going to glue one on top of the other. I will then take this and just put my thumb right on top and under, and I'm gonna kind of push down and grab with the other hand underneath where my finger is to kind of make a flower. And then perfect. So once your flower is done, we can glue right on any finger you choose on our cactus. And then kind of push it down so it could hold.
Thank you for continuing to watch and make this cool cactus hand with me. It's such a cool craft right in time for summer. As always, check out our calendar so you're up to date with all our cool activities. Until next time, see you later. Bye.